Hello students, today we will study about financial system. Introduction to financial system. Let's understand what is financial system. A financial system is a network of financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments and financial services to facilitate the transfer of funds. The system consists of savers, intermediaries, instruments and the ultimate user of funds. The level of economic growth largely depends upon and is facilitated by the state of financial system prevailing in the economy. Efficient financial system and sustainable economic growth are corollary. The financial system mobilizes the saving and channelizes them into the productive activity and thus influences the pace of economic development. Economic growth is hampered for want of effective financial system. Broadly speaking, financial system deals with three interrelated and interdependent variables, that is money, credit and finance. Definition of financial system. Financial system may be defined as a set of markets and institutions to facilitate the exchange of assets and risk. Features of financial system. Financial system provides an ideal linkage between depositors and investors, thus encouraging both saving and investment. Financial system facilitate expansion of financial market over space and time. Financial system promotes efficient allocation of financial resources for socially desirable and economically productive purpose. Financial system influences both the quality and the pace of economic development. Functions of financial system. Financial system work as an effective conduit for optimum allocation of financial resources in an economy. It helps in establishing a linkage between the savers and the investors. Financial system allows asset liability transformation. Banks creates claim liabilities against themselves when they accept deposits from customers, but also create assets when they provide loans to clients. Economic resources are transferred from one party to another through financial system. The financial system ensures the efficient functioning of the payment mechanism and economy. All transactions between the buyers and sellers of goods and services are effected smoothly because of financial system. Financial system help in risk transformation by diversification, as in case of mutual funds. Financial system enhances liquidity of financial claims. Financial system helps price discovery of financial assets resulting from the interaction of buyers and sellers. For example, the prices of securities are determined by demand and supply forces in the capital market. Financial system helps reducing the cost of transaction. Importance of financial system. The following benefits suggest the importance of financial system. First, facilitate economic industrial activity and growth. Second, helps accelerate the volume and rate of saving. Third, monitor the management of companies. Fourth, facilitate execution of monetary policy by the central bank. And the last one, facilitate evolution of assets. Components of financial system. A financial system refers to a system which enables the transfer of money between investors and borrowers. A financial system could be defined at an international, regional, or organizational level. Following are the key components of financial system. First is financial institution. Second, financial markets. Third, financial services, and fourth and last one, financial instruments.